As a cabinet decision, there is an ex post facto approval for the national parliament event. जो श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जीन फाटले फावटी 5 दिसाचो इव्हेंट जाल्लो ताज्या खातीर approval for the appointment of the operation and management agency for the single agreement selected bidder for the maintenance of the Agwat jail fort. Agwat jail fort जो agency select जाल्ली तेका continue करपा खातीर. Second, ex post facto approval for the release of the balance amount of the 1,79,37,000 for the innovative Medicare technology in the ventilators of the Goa Medical College. Third one, it is an proposed extension for the IT support services of the APDRP. It is an IT support services in the power department. Take a continuation dila for the next another 1 year. Sorry. IT services they are providing in the power department.
Central government scheme ashili.
Central government scheme ashili. आम्ही तेका already engage केले. They are working in our power department. तेका 1 more year extension. The same. There is an proposal for the 52 post creation in the skill development ministry, skill development and entrepreneurship. Summoning of the prorogation of the legislative assembly from the 11th of July. 11 July च्यान assembly summon केल्या. ती मागे ठरतली जाल्यार. There is an approval for engaging of the services of Dr. Amit Maidev, okay, an endoscopic surgeon and gastroenterologist for setting up of the department in Goa Medical College.